Is your puppy terrified of thunderstorms or fireworks? You're not alone. Begin by creating a calm, safe space for your pup. Choose a quiet room with familiar bedding and favorite toys to help them feel secure. Playing soft music or using a white noise machine can help mask scary sounds and create a soothing environment. Never punish your puppy for being afraid. Instead, offer gentle reassurance and comfort. Gradually desensitize your puppy by playing recordings of the noise at a very low volume while engaging them with treats or playtime. Slowly increase the volume over days or weeks, always ensuring your puppy remains comfortable and relaxed. Use positive reinforcement when they remain calm, rewarding them with treats, praise, or a favorite toy to encourage bravery. Practice short, frequent sessions to build confidence without overwhelming your puppy. Stay calm yourself. Dogs pick up on our emotions, so maintaining a relaxed attitude helps them feel secure and safe. If fear persists or worsens, consult your veterinarian or a professional trainer for additional support and guidance. With patience, consistency, and love, your puppy can learn that loud noises aren't so scary after all.